Existence, I ponder, not of I, but of everything and beyond the mind's eye. While not alone in this, some just pass it by, scooting along the bay's edge, but intrigue crosses the street, unshaken, unhedged. Intrigued, I follow. Come closer. What is this sound, palpable with intellect? Still closer, hear more, so it becomes clearer to detect. Entropic chorus for the curious, a cry heard, with feet on the ground, but heads in the sky with loose cannons, wizards and artists abound. Not a Cheshire in their smile, but it is magic they create, with phenomenal force, inspiring personal exploration where understanding sets course. One may well feel swamped, but never fear, orange-vested heroes of science will guide you as a peer, for they are just like you and me, committed to curiosity. Let their vibrancy help you explore, let their joy rub off on you, for they are the curious core. What will it be then? Light seen and unseen, nature, biology, the human condition, or maybe electricity, sound, movement? Embark on your own curious mission. And as you do, Frank will forever look on with a smile on his face from the workshop which creates without altering pace. And this creativity is not out of bounds for you, so tinker tinker, create, fix, improve, and do it all again, and you'll find your own groove. After all, reality guides the journey, and this journey is to be shared from generation to generation, so no one is spared. Oh, San Francisco, we gaze through glass at your macroscale exhibit, so dynamic from here, although your foundations inhibit. My curious reflection front and back, about turn I face to natural rhythms sway, east to Oakland. Take time to observe the bay. For this was my playground. Augmented reality, the bigger picture you will see. Your eyes and tech combine naturally, locally, willingly. So come and not forget the place at the end of the pier, a dynamic space to commune. Don't miss out on Gallery 6, and to your bay, attune. Upstairs, aloft in offices of glass, driving it all behind the scenes, teaching, outreach, research, teams full of beans, as the ideas never stop in a kaleidoscope of showcase. How about a bit of pie? Oh, and don't forget the technical upkeep, ensuring curiosity is never shy, as the ideas never sleep. After dark, event after event, they'll move the proverbial earth, inviting academics and community together, so you'll see our home for all it's worth. Is this also shocking? Is this also surreal? Well, not for the curious, for whom it's a sweet deal, a deal that will never expire, so perhaps it's not surprising at the end of the day that those who leave are intent on coming back. They've found a gift that just keeps giving, and that's exploration, the greatest life hack. After all this, existence, I ponder, not of I, but of everything and beyond the mind's eye. While not alone in this, I'm introspective and content, gazing from here along the bay's edge, because intrigue brought me here from across the pond, to be unshaken, to be unhedged.